All right, here we go. This is for the 1260. It was a football baseball break. Obviously, had the Bo Jackson Raiders and Kansas City helmet as the headliner. So, multi-round giveaway. Alright, break 1260 freebie. Go grab the list I just put together. Obviously, the guys that bought the spots outright, they got 40 spots, so I mean, it's only fair. So there should be, we had 320 entries. There we go. Dice roll, 5 or greater. Oh! Double sixes! Double sixes! 12 rounds. Let's get her. 1, 2. Hey, my alarm clock's going off. Why is that? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last round. Top 3. There we go. Congrats. Thank you guys. This son of a bitch is over with.